Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a brief explanation of your assignment for today. Your previous assignment was on stress. You should have learned a little bit about what stress is and how it affects our body. Today we're going to practice a way to reduce our stress. So we're going to practice a relaxation technique for stress management. I want to point out that practicing these techniques once is good for us, but in order to become really good at it and get the most benefits from it, we have to practice them routinely. So some examples of relaxation techniques that are pretty common that people use include deep breathing. That's when we fill our lungs all the way with air. Sometimes we hold it, sometimes we don't, but we'll slowly release it as well. And doing that over several minutes can help calm our body down and reduce that fight or flight symptoms that we feel. Guided visualization is where we would imagine ourselves in a different place where we would feel relaxed. Usually a common one is on a beach somewhere, and then there's certain prompts that a person would follow when they're practicing this. Positive self-affirmations include saying things like, I am a capable person, I'm a likable person, I'm awesome, I can do this. And yes, they have to be said out loud, not in your head. Progressive muscle relaxation involves squeezing or contracting certain muscle groups like your hands or your abdominals or your glutes and releasing them. And you would do that over a series of different combinations. Mindfulness is recognizing our thoughts or focusing on the thoughts that we have, but then releasing them. So you're being mindful of the thoughts that you're having in your brain. And then meditation is trying to clear the mind of all thoughts and just be present in that situation. So I'm going to ask you to either practice one of these, you can choose one of them, or if you have another relaxation technique that you know of, you can certainly practice that one. These are just some pretty common ones that most people do. So you're going to find a relaxation technique online. So you're going to choose one. Like if I'm doing meditation, I can find some sort of meditation like video or podcast or something online to follow. It has to be at least 5 minutes. So make sure you're practicing whatever practice you do, you're doing it for at least 5 minutes so that you do give your body time to actually relax and feel the effects of that strategy. So after you practice that technique, you're going to respond or reflect on how it made you feel and how it went. So provide me a link to whatever practice, like if you used a YouTube video, provide me a link to that video. And then answer these questions in at least 3 to 5 sentences. So only 3 questions you have to reflect on. So tell me how you felt after going through the exercise. Did it make you calm and relaxed? Did it not? Why or why not? Did you find it difficult to relax? Why or why not? If you did find it difficult, were there some other things going on in your house that made it difficult to relax? And then the last question is, how would you incorporate the relaxation technique you practiced into your daily or weekly routine? Because again, we have to practice this multiple times in order to get really good at it and feel the most benefits and effects from it. So I hope after you complete the assignment that you feel very relaxed.